today's video, I thought to have a video tutorial about few facial masks using the ingredient which is becoming really popular these days because of its extremely incredible properties of refining your skin, detoxifying, purifying, and correcting. So that ingredient is a bentonite clay. Well, a bentonite clay is, as you can search on the internet as well, you're doing your own research. A bentonite clay is a volcanic ash that is refined further, and so it is composed of all the nutrients and elements like magnesium, sodium, phosphorus, zinc, calcium, and it really purifies and cleanses your skin. The jar of the bentonite clay, and I am really happy with the results, that how it smooths out your pores, how it really refine your skin blemishes, and how it gives you a really subtle and smooth texture. I am not using any makeup right now. I have nothing on my face. I have few active acne on my face, but apart from that, you can see that using the bentonite clay, it is really refining my pores and it is really working good on my skin blemishes. In today's video, I am going to tell you 2 DIY facial masks using the bentonite clay. One mask is basically for everyday use and the other mask is to use twice a week. The purpose of the first mask is to achieve a smoother and finer skin, and it is basically to refine your pores and to fight off your blemishes or some active acne or congestion. The other mask is for skin brightening and to get a one-tone skin. So, to have a look on both the masks, stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. For the mask number 1, which is especially for pore refining, to fight off acne, blemishes, and congestion in your skin, you need a pure bentonite clay. Whenever you deal with the bentonite clay or a charcoal powder, I always tell that you have to use non-metallic utensils like spoons or bowls, not made of metals. I am using the BioGlan bentonite clay because I am BioGlan loyal. It is a company that provides really good quality 100% pure organic products. So you need 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay, aloe vera gel. I am using Thursday Plantation aloe vera gel. You use whatever is available at your side, but it should be pure aloe vera gel, like should be 100% aloe vera gel or 99 or 98% aloe vera gel. This one is 99.5% pure aloe vera gel with a little bit of peppermint essential oil in that, so it really soothes your skin well. So I am using this one. You need a teaspoon of aloe vera gel, goes into the bentonite clay, and few drops of tea tree essential oil. 3 or 4 drops of essential oil. And now to make a mixture, I am using plain, clean or distilled water, cold water. So I am going to make a paste of that. Just like this. That's it, simple. And then you're going to apply this on your face, neck. Just set back, rest for 5 to 10 minutes. Put the cucumber slices on your eyes and just enjoy the soothing and comforting sensation of the bentonite clay, aloe vera gel and tea tree oil, and let them work wonders on your skin. Second, bentonite clay brightening facial mask. Well, the main purpose, as the name suggests, is to brighten up your skin, to give you a shiny, glowy skin. So for this skin brightening bentonite clay mask, you need 1 tablespoon of bentonite clay. You need half teaspoon of turmeric powder, pure organic turmeric powder, because you are using it on your face, so no impurities required. And you need few drops of peppermint essential oil. In goes the peppermint oil with the turmeric powder. I use 3-4 drops of peppermint essential oil, and I am using 3-4 drops or half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar has its own place in the beauty industry, and I am going to make a video alone on the apple cider vinegar soon. So we have half teaspoon of apple cider vinegar, and to mix that all up, I am using plain water like that. So viewers, after using both the masks, I just washed off my face and I am feeling my skin so fresh. Like, you literally feel the fresh sensation inside out your skin, and you really feel glowy and shiny. I hope that you guys would try this DIY bentonite clay masks at home to get the benefit of this beautiful bentonite clay. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel, like my videos, and take care of yourself. Bye bye till the next video.